Hi, I'm Annie.
And I'm Kathy.
And we're the Thrive-alize sisters.
Today we're going to make some oatmeal, cold oatmeal, and you could keep it in the fridge and it refreshes there. We'll show you two different kinds, but there's lots that you can invent.
Yeah,
so peaches and cream.
And we're gonna do an apple spice or apple and cinnamon.
So you just take a jar, any jar you like, and I think you have the oats first.
Yeah.
And you're going to, we just take instant oats. If you have instant oats at home, you can totally do that. And
I'm just gonna put like 4. I don't know how much.
I usually put about a quarter of a cup, between a quarter and a half cup. I don't like it too much because I like the berries.
Me too. Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit of our honey crystals in there. I love our honey. That's gonna give that sweetness. Do you want some honey too?
Yeah, I will put honey, but I'm gonna put applesauce. This is our Thrive applesauce. And I love the applesauce.
I'm putting our milk powder because that will be the cream in the peaches and cream. And then some peaches, which I'm just gonna, they're big pieces, so I'm just going to break them up into smaller pieces. I also am going to, I think I'm gonna powder a few just to get more peachy flavor. I love that.
Good for you.
Well, if I can.
I'm gonna actually put apple chunks in there. These apples are awesome because they have the skin still on them, which is extra added vitamins and nutrients. So, and I'm gonna break these up in chunks as well.
I love the peaches. I like the apples too, they're really good.
Yeah, I love the apple. Apples and cinnamon. And you can make these, you can make a berry oatmeal. It's so nice. We're not doing that today though.
I should just blend it in the blender, but I want to.
All right, so I've mixed this all up. All the cinnamon is mixed. All the oats has the apples that are all mixed.
And then you add the water.
Then we add the water and, okay, thank you. I have to get more.
And then, yeah, it's super easy. You could do some with berries in there. You can pick any flavor of oatmeal that you like. I mean, flavor of berries that you like to go with your oatmeal. Thank you.
All right.
And then once you put it in the fridge, it'll be ready in the morning. I, especially on a hot day, like having cold oatmeal.
Yeah.
And it's just, and there's my peaches and cream. So that is just some quick ways to have some oatmeal ready in the morning. You don't have to prepare it. Kids can just grab it and go. So I hope you want to give this a try and give us a thumbs up if you liked our video. Comment below if you have any ideas or suggestions of things that you want us to make.
And if you haven't subscribed, do that and also hit the notification bell so you can see when we post a brand new video. So,
and remember, you can do this too.